Hi guys, and welcome back to C2 Fix. In today's video I'll show you how to fix a broken fuel cap strap. Now these often break due to age, they just get dry and break off on this, and there are proper this happens to a lot of XC90s, so it's good to know how to change it out. So first we start by removing it. So to remove this, you just push up and just tug it out. Don't really care if you ruin this, and just remove the fuel cap strap. So now we need to move on and remove what's left of the old strap. Now to do this, you'll need a screwdriver with a very thin point, just like this one, and obviously you're going to need your replacement strap. Now to remove your old fuel cap strap, you can see these little indentations here. These are actually plastic pins, so you need to get your screwdriver in there and then just push, and you'll just see it fall on the other side, you can see. And you just do the other one as well. So just push and just keep these very safe because they're very small. Just keep these on one side, and now you can just remove the rest of it easily. So now remove your new fuel strap, out of the package, and they also give you new pins. However, I'm gonna keep the old pins because these ones sometimes struggle to fit in with the plastic on the fuel cap already. Installation is the reverse of the removal. Just put the strap in here, just like so, and now just get your pins and push them through one by one. And once you've done that, you can go and put your cap back into the fuel filling area. It's just, I would recommend screwing this on first until it clicks, and then just put it on the top, and then just tug it, just so that it looks a bit like the original was. You may need a screwdriver just to put it down, but this should be secure. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.